Want to learn German without spending more time staring at a screen? With listening practice, you can turn everyday moments into opportunities to learn German. Here's how to get started in 5 simple steps. Step 1. Download Playly, choose German as the language you want to learn, and select your translation language. Now, you're ready to start learning. Step 2. Choose German content that matches your level and what you actually want to learn. Practice everyday conversations, useful phrases, vocabulary, and real-life situations. Add the lists you want to practice to your listening collection. Step 3. Now, just listen. You decide how you want to learn based on your level. Choose how often you want to hear the German, whether you want to hear a translation, how long the pauses should be, and how fast the German should be spoken. Then, put your phone away and listen while walking, commuting, exercising, cooking, or simply relaxing. As your German improves, you can gradually use fewer repetitions, increase the speed, and rely less on translations. Step 4. Once the German starts to feel familiar, take your listening practice one step further. Use speaking mode to repeat the phrases yourself and compare your pronunciation with the German you've been listening to. Then, use test mode to see how much you can already understand just by listening. This way, the same phrases take you from listening and understanding to speaking and remembering. Step 5. The key is to make German listening a regular part of your day. Set a reminder and choose a time when listening fits naturally into your routine. You don't need a long study session. Use moments you already have: your morning walk, your commute, a workout, or some quiet time at home. The more often you hear German in meaningful contexts, the more familiar the language becomes. Learning German doesn't always have to mean sitting down and studying. Put on your headphones, choose something you want to learn, and start listening. With Playly, everyday moments can become German practice. Start learning German by listening today.